Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to install Thermal Grizzly's Duronaut. It's a very thick material and can be quite tricky, but we'll go over here and hopefully I'll be able to give you some pointers. First thing I would recommend is cleaning your integrated heat spreader with some high quality alcohol, at least 90% or better. And of course the Thermal Grizzly Duronaut comes with a nice spatula there, and it tends to stick to the spatula better than the heat spreader if you don't apply the right pressure or have the right angle. Now, I'm struggling here because I'm at the wrong angle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ram out, and that'll give me a little more room. Checking my gloves, don't want any on me. This stuff gets everywhere. But once I have that out, I'll be able to get at the right angle here. Notice that it starts to spread and stay down better. You have to apply a pretty good bit of pressure. If you read the Duronaut's instructions, it'll say as much. It doesn't go down as easy as the creamier, thinner stuff that we've been used to in the past. And after a little bit of painting, I've gotten it pretty flat, but I want to get every little bit of the top area, surface area of the heat spreader covered with it, and I want a nice even coating. That way when I put the water block down on top of it, it doesn't have a lump on one corner higher than the other. It will allow it to seat evenly, which will be crucial to getting it good and flat and getting the thermal paste to squeeze out just a little around the edges in a centric way, or in a even way. I'll give you a little bit of background. I used to work for an OEM, and I've installed thousands of CPUs. The thermal paste thing has been a journey for sure. When I first started, we used the white silicone-based paste, zinc oxide, which thermally obviously isn't going to handle today's hot CPUs. But over the years, it's been different. I've used TIMs before, which is basically the stuff that looks like it's on clear tape. You stick it to the surface and you peel off the top layer and it goes down nice and even. Those are very easy to install. And of course, I've used a number of Arctic Silver and other Thermal Grizzly products in the past. All a lot easier to install than this stuff. Now, once it's spread on good and even, you'll want to evenly torque down your water block or your cooler. But if you still have one that's screw down, you want to kind of do it in a back and forth motion, not much different from torquing a wheel on your car. You got to go in a pattern that puts it down evenly or tightens it evenly. Overall, this stuff has worked well for me, and my temps have been good. The 9800X3D is a pretty hot chip, but with this particular water cooler I'm using and the Thermal Grizzly Duronaut, it gets good temps. And we're pretty much done here. As you see, it wasn't too terrible after I obeyed a few rules to get it to lay down evenly. And now that we got our water block down, you will see my temps here are nice and cool. These are idle. Thank you for watching.